Hey everybody, it's SaskiaSketches and today I'm back with another Scrawlrbox. Okay, I am very excited to see what's inside. It's been a while since I've filmed one of these. Scrawlrboxes are always fun. Let's take a look, shall we? Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm seeing a pencil sticking out. That's not very telling of what's going to be in here. It's a pencil and ooh, look at that! Ooh, paint pens, right? Ooh, okay. No wait, is it paint or is it ink? Oh, look. I think they're for calligraphy. That's cool. Got a ton of different colors. This reminds me of one of those felt tip pens that I got when I went to primary school. It's really cool. I'm excited to try these. I wonder what we're going to be making with this because there's so many colors. Maybe a rainbow. We have a fine liner. Nice. Always up for fine liners. I hope it's waterproof though. And ooh, Japanese, right? Or is that Chinese? Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I think it's Chinese. Brush pen. Cool. No, that's Japanese. That's Japanese. I was right the first time. And look at this. What's that? Oh, I think I know. It's to practice writing on. Yeah, this is supposed to be calligraphy. Cool. Ooh. Oh no, this I like. This is the type of art that I really like to do as well. When I have brush pens, this is the type of stuff that I like to do. Awesome! I'll have these links in the description and you best go follow this crazy cool artist. And we have a sweet as always. Ooh, it's mint. I don't like mint. Alright, let's I'm gonna think about what I'm gonna make with this, but I'm excited to give it a go. Alright, let's see what I made. At first I wasn't entirely sure what to do, and you can tell by the little dragon that I doodled on the box. I was just trying to figure out what I wanted to make with it. But that little dragon did give me the idea of what I wanted to do, and I wanted to try doing kind of like a backwards drawing, if that makes sense. I wanted to start with the colouring first and then add the line art on later. I didn't sketch, because why would you? So I basically just did the shapes in blue, and then the shading in the darker blue, and then I went over with the fine liner, and that was a little drawing that I did. If you can't tell already, it's Rogue's my blue fox character. I really like how this one came out. And after I finished him, I wasn't so sure about what I, had made. I mean, it was cute, but it wasn't really anything legendary. So I wanted to try doing calligraphy as well, because the box was all calligraphy themed, and I thought, these markers are were specifically made for calligraphy, so I might as well try it, and then I just regretted the whole thing. I'm not great with calligraphy, okay? Like, I try sometimes to make my writing look a little bit more fancy than it actually is by making the downward strokes thicker than the upward strokes. It's really basic. It's really basic. So I just tried all the calligraphy techniques I knew. I like outlined the text and did half of the text in another color, and it looks kind of decent, and that's about it. So this took me like 10 minutes maybe. So I thought, yeah, you know, why not do another one? So I did 2 more. I did one of Yata and I did one of Zevi, and I thought they were kind of cute. I just kept drawing them lower and lower on the page, so eventually I didn't have any room for the shadow anymore, which was poor planning on my part, but that's also because I didn't sketch because I couldn't be bothered. The one complaint that I had with the box was that the fine liner that I specifically said I hope this thing is waterproof at the beginning of the video, because I was expecting it not to be, because it felt very, very cheap. Like the plastic was very light, and it just felt cheaply made. And lo and behold, it was not waterproof. Not that I like actually went over with water, but even after I put the ink down and went over with the fine liner, it would still bleed like a lot, which is crazy because that ink was already dry, or almost dry, you know? So it really, I wouldn't recommend this fine liner. The rest of the supplies were fine. I like the brush pens, you know, decently well. The calligraphy pens were cool, but like the brush pen was cool too. I don't know why there was a pencil. Maybe people sketch their calligraphy before they like go over with the thing, but then again you would see the pencil underneath the marker, so I don't know why. I did sketch the letters for Zevi in because I was going to do like half of the letters white and half of the letters grey, because Zevi is white, and that's what I'd done with the previous ones. Like I'd done the primary colour on top and the shading colour at the bottom of the text, so that's why I sketched it out. But for that's the only use I can see for like including a pencil. Overall, Scrawlrbox was fine. Felt a little bit cheap because of the fine liner and the pencil. It felt just like they were just thrown in for some reason. But it's fine. I liked it decently. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more art videos every single Friday. Have a great weekend, guys, and keep on sketching. Bye!